Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on today's videos, I'm going to take to escort my sister back to school, guys. So that's how my house looks like, Wow. So stay tuned, guys. Wow, guys, it's 7:24 and I need to take my sister back to school. It's very in the morning. So when I'm saying taking my sister back to school is to escort her every day, So that's how my home looks like. Very chilling morning. So let me see. Wow. Morning, man. You say good, and I say morning. Say morning to you.
Morning to you.
Yeah, that's my sister taking some black coffee. Yeah. So, guys, every day I'm gonna take my sister back to school in the morning, lunch hours, evening, because the school is very far from our home. Some a distance, Mama, should I get to room? That's fire right here. I feel cold. Sorry. Yeah, guys, I feel cold. I had to do like this, warming my fingers. So I need to take this ray. Very in the morning having something. So let me take you outside and see what's going on. Anyway, guys, welcome outside. It's very in the morning, chilling. So the trees are waving from here to my entire world. Wow. I love it. Take a hot cup of tea in the morning. It's very nice to remove the cold. That's what we believe. And today our cow are chilling here like crazy. You can see how this cow behave like this. It means it's totally cold here. Wow. We have another one here relaxing. Yeah, other grazing here. You can see. So what I do, let me do cooking first and then take back my sister to school. I decide it could be my daily routine every day until December, when they will be here long holiday. That's why I stop escorting her. As long as I have my family who surrounded me, I need to take care of them, man. So for my new subscriber who joining today, feel free, chat with me on the comment section, watch the videos till the end, and don't skip ads, guys. Please, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, by watching my videos till the end. Don't skip ads. Advise me on the comment section. And also, guys, the main thing, subscribe to my channel. Road to 10k subscriber. I really appreciate. So on my yesterday's videos, I banned one of my worker who did a job at home, and then he ran away with my what we call hammer. So I decide no business with him, but I didn't talk like a lot on videos. I spoke like 2 minutes, and then I feel my heart is beating like crazy. So I don't want to stress myself. If I give somebody work and then there's some tools, there's no need somebody go with my hammer. And then when I go to ask him, he said, "Oh, I go with it by mistake." Mistake for what? I said, I don't want you here anymore. You know. So last time, the guy who dig the borehole, the first borehole starting, he make the same mistake. We sign a contract, he dig, he go. After 1 week, he came back. I told him, man, no business with you. You better go. No, when I'm saying because it's my work, it's my own money, and when I employed somebody, some blue jobber caller here around my home, they must respect me, and I paid him money. Imagine, guys, for the people who working at my home, especially when I employed people with some small things like building a toilet like this, they must eat breakfast, good breakfast, lunchtime. In the evening, I pay them money, exactly money, and then they go. So that's the way of creating a good friendship. And when anytime I have the job, they could run and do. When they say, "Oh, it's hello baby," let's go. So that's 100%. That's my, like, when I say that's things inside on my heart. Even my mama, she doesn't like when somebody working at our home and then no lunch, no breakfast, no, because we believe in God, and we just trustful, you know. So let's see by next week. Today's on Friday, so by next week on Tuesday, they will come here very in the morning. The guy with the power saw splitting those timbers, and then I'll see what next we can do, you know. So actually, guys, it's been a long time without going to my grandma, and I'm planning to do for her short party or celebration, probably by Wednesday. Maybe I'll go and see what I can get goat for $70, and then I came a slaughter for her. I give her soup according to our culture, our traditional culture. We want to do like that because when my father could be still more alive, he was the one who could he was the one who do those things, but right now he was not, like, no more alive, and I'm the firstborn. I need to take that responsibility, and when I'm saying, guys, I'll do it, you know. Me, my work is to do it, doing, you know. The day is coming, yeah. So you'll see me. I see the black dog right there. I don't know who dog's that. Guys, you see the black dog is running. So yeah. So in case you're new here, for my new subscriber, I know every day when I shoot the videos, I got a new member on my YouTube channel. This is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm calling home. You heard the cock? It's very in the morning. So yesterday I do some a video. When I was passing there, the cock starting like cuckoo, cock. I start filming a video like that. Like I said, like, let me film. Boom, you know. I was coming from other side, and then when I put my camera on, the cock started behaving like cuckoo, and it's around 8:09. I remember, and then I say, let me shoot the way it is. Guys, go and watch my video, my yesterday video. You will see. So it's time to go out. I need to take my bike outside. wearing my jacket because it's cold here. And also, not only cold, when I'm riding the bike, you feel that breeze coming, you know. Anyway, let me show you that's coke. So I'm cutting those trees, and then also this one here, I'll cut them, splitting some posts for constructing a small house where my mama could stay for a meanwhile, building another house. I need to start when I'm demolishing that one. My mama could be divert. No, I'm thinking to put that house here. You know, I'm thinking that small house I could put from here going that way, and then I must stay there. But it's all in well. Yeah, sweet home sweet. I'm looking at that cock. They're hiding inside here. It's right here. You see that one? That cock. Anyway, let me take my sister back to school right now as I speak here. You heard? More blessing. Yeah, Jah bless us. One more, Mr. Cook. No. Come on. One more. That is it. So let's go. Goodbye home. Taking my sister to school. I still saw my uncle. See my uncle in front of me, taking their kids back to school. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, that's my sister. Yeah. Oh man, this is crazy. Yeah. Even nowadays, guys, I fear to carry other kids because they are calling us funny names, you know. Yeah. Let's go. With their kids. Sometimes, guys, when I'm not ready, my uncle took my sister back to school on this bike here. Whoa. Big up. Let's go. One lap. Right, the kids right here. Nice house. Yo. There. ndo darasani. Alright guys, I escort to my sister, so it's time to continue with my journey. I must be very careful because kids are moving here. Yeah, I love that. Whoa. Yeah, village vibe. Yeah, my hometown, Abansi village to the world. Looks like very in the morning. Okay, that's my uncle right here. Alright guys, I made the American uncle over here. Maybe because of the sun, we stand here this way.
Hey, what's up?
How's everything, uncle?
Everything good, you know. How about you?
Me, I'm good.
Yes,
Long
yes,
time.
yes. I like your machine, man. You have a good machine here, man.
This one?
Yes, good machine, man. I love it.
Thank you.
Doing this kind of work, you're supposed to have good machine for it.
Yes. And then I take care of them. When I finish shooting the video,
yes,
I keep it in my house.
Okay, that's good. Don't let nobody take it away from you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And you see I'm wearing my helmet?
Yeah.
I'm not like you?
Yeah, these are brand new.
Oh, you buy a brand new?
Yeah.
Okay, brand new machine.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good, man.
Maybe we launch and then we come.
Yes.
We go this way. You wait me there. Wait, speed up. Yeah. You can launch it.
Huh?
You know how to drive?
I know how to drive, but I'm not in the driving mood right now.
Okay, hold for me.
I'm not in the driving mood. Yeah. Yeah, good man. I can see that you're making some good money, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I save little.
Yeah, that's
so
great, man.
Launch.
Huh?
We launch.
Yeah.
Yeah, sit.
Where you going now?
We take to Nebans and then we come back here because I'm going to work there.
No, let me do it a little more.
Oh.
Because I'm supposed to meet up with Marwa. He waiting on me right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so let me do that. Then we could do that, you know?
Okay.
The bike is clean and pretty, man.
Yeah, so we're going down.
Wow, wow.
Don't park up.
Clean and pretty, man.
Up.
Yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Marwa waiting on me because I have to run, go take care of something and come back.
Yeah, so let's go down there.
Yeah.
You don't know.
So he can ride it too?
No, he was one of my neighbors.
Ah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll park you hanging up here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Because I'm heading to my land down here.
Oh, you have a land down there?
Yes.
I didn't know you didn't have land down here too, man.
Yeah, it's for my friend's land, so I'm a caretaker.
Oh, you're a caretaker.
Yeah,
oh,
cleaning the. Yeah.
That's great, man.
Alright.
So
Tapaki hai.
My wife doing some good job here, man.
Yes.
Very good job.
Yeah, most of the villagers will benefit this road.
Yes. They need to do that, you know?
Yeah.
Because this road always messed up. So you have to do something with it.
So let me lock it here.
Yeah. I like your panga, man.
Yeah.
But it's small.
This is slash.
This can't cut no tree, man.
This is slash.
Oh,
and then
slash.
I do like, yeah. I modify.
What do you call it, panga?
No.
Slasher.
Yeah, slasher.
Okay.
And then I modify it.
Okay, you modify it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's great, man. Yes.
So when did you visit my home?
As I said, I did have some problem with my stomach.
Oh.
So it throw me back on most of my plans that I have.
Okay.
So I have to reschedule.
Okay.
Right now I'm planning to go to Tanzania.
When?
I'm supposed to leave this morning. I'm going to spend at least a week up there.
Okay.
In Tanzania.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this machine now they use to press it down.
Yes, compact.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's its name?
I know it's a compact machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let me go down here.
Yeah, I'm coming down there.
Okay. Alright guys, so right now I'm heading down this way. So at the same time the road is backfilling on other side, putting more ram so they can able to access passing with them motorbike car. Even right now guys, I left my bike at our second home, at Congrad dad's home, so it's been secure. So right now I'm heading down here. I'm going to do some cleanness, you know. So I have the guy here, so he's still waiting me. So as I speak right now, the road is under construction, you know. So I'm heading down to my friend's land here. Wow. Also I have been company with one of my guy down here. Wow. So let's see how our day go, you know. So they try to fix this road by putting more ram, like the hardcore soil, and then come back to the machine, you know. So even right now I didn't access to come with my bike because the road is very slippery, you know. And also more people will gain like a driver. If you maybe have a car, they can pass easily, you know what I mean. Yeah. So welcome on to this vlog. Make sure guys you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, comment, share, like. And I love it, man. I love it because this the first priority in terms of development, you know. You need roads, to have good roads, to have electricities, and this is number one, you know. I think it's here up and down here. So I'm telling him this is my friend's land. So on today's videos, I just pull up here, so we need to do some cleanness, serious, you know, slashing and make sure everything's clean. And I want to put down my sweater, you know, because we are going to work. Yeah, working. No joke. So it's to make sure that the land looks clean, you know. I can hang here in local way. Yeah, there you go, mate. So on today's vlog is to do cleanness in my friend's land, and I love it, you know, taking care of the environment. I love it. Want to fake you my name Hong Kong what is so then can be big yeah. So we need to do some thorough cleanness, guys. Yeah. Also I think these trees we're gonna slash it a little bit, you know, because the branch is going up to that way, so we need to trim it here and then also right here, because even right now it creates a good shade here. I love it. So also guys, the next of my neighbor, she want to sell that land. You see the on that fence next. If one willing to have a land, you can reach me through WhatsApp number. We talk more, you know. So yeah, we want to bring people together, peace and love and unity, you know. Imagine. So yeah, me, I'm so grateful to be back here, you know. So that being said earlier, my last video I just come here with my bike, but right now the road is under construction, so I don't want to interfere with them. And then at the same time, the road is very slippery. When they come back that with the Muram, yeah, we enjoy it's coming here freely. Kunyambe ngora ngora meja stana harak. Stana harak. Adi also kabangan. Yeah. Yeah, the guy is flashing there. And remember guys, all the way positive vibe. Yesterday I said I banned one of I banned one of my worker because he go with the hammer, and then when I asked, he said, oh, I go with by mistake. And you know, he thinks that I'm going to forget my hammer, but who know, you know, my mind are very sharp. So I paid him money, and then I told him no business with you, because they start to bring some problem here and there. Wow. So for example here, when the cow puts they poo all the cow dung like this one here, that's the reason why the grass growing taller, you know. It means the biogas, you know, like it stick there, and then more nutrient coming up. So that's the reason why grass growing, you know, taller. Yeah. So on today's video also I changed the guy, you know. Yeah, things like that. I think the best way is to uproot, but other stems or plants are very hard, you know, like this one here. Hey. But the best way is to slash. The best way is to slash. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put those stones right here, because you know, things are moving perfect way. Ngora pull. Yeah guys, you know. So moving these stones from here. Meja rungu. Uko mzuri. Eh, kwano vare ni yangu. Eh? Mura. Oh, vare ni yangu. Ama ni mali yangu. Yeah. Toko mawe mesensa magera tofali. Ya hagate iri kubrikuriga. Icho. Kwani no virus? Yeah. Okay, mano me, not to answer to here. So we need to start from here, going that way. Yeah. Yeah, I make sure that environment looks clean. You can see difference between here and then other side. You see more green. Just like that. Yeah. We go for those people who need a job, you know. We go with those who needs work at the same time, you know. If maybe you have somebody and then start bargaining, you know, bring some issues here and there, we cancel out, you know. Happy not to be kangaroo. I'm Kyandani san. Mambe and Jango Karabidi. Eh. I'm telling you, like that. Eh. Hivyo sasa ndio mtu akipita asinani asidungwa macho. Eh. That one. Okay. Sawa. Sawa. Yeah. Needs things looking perfect here. Mata harega. Never know that that's a common. Yeah. Let's start from here. Sorry. Yeah, and also it has some good shade within here. Temera anza kabisa meja. Korage ro rego. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I need to keep distance because you wanna do what, guys? The slash is coming out to my body, so I need to keep distance. You might know, but I'm trying that energy to go away. Yeah, wagwan. So also this some small little tones, you see? Ha. Tenga hata biwenga. With hands. Yeah, nowadays guys I'm trying to shoot a short vlog, not that much long, so around 50 minutes is just okay, as long as I flow with vibe. Yeah, I flow with vibe, things like that. So as he continues here, let me check on the other side, you know. Yeah, to be a good caretaker, you need to be on the sides several times. You know, also there's a muram here, right here. Yep. I think also I will need some djembe to make some thorough cleanness of the back here, you know, because I paid that guy money, you know, things like this. Wow, you can see there's a day I was been here, but I think close to 3 months ago, 3 to 4 months, but right now look how it looks like. So I need to do serious cleanness here. Wow, people are building in our village here. You can tell from a distance. Yeah, also he shows my neighbor. At the same time, you know, the truck are coming until at this point down here. So what I'm going to do, when that guy finish slashing, we need to have a djembe, you know, so doing some cleanness here. I never knew, but let me go to my neighbor and ask djembe, you know, djembe. djembe. I think I'll go this way, guys, because I don't want to do trespassing to people's place. Let me go that way and then Yeah. Also, this is my neighbor. So that being said earlier, if you need a land in Quartz, just over here, close to the villa, down here, around 0.3 meter, you'll be there. Let me look. The jembe. Odi. This is a jembe. Eh? Me, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm Kurimarima. Yeah. Chinyumba pano chibiasara. Atemora sto. Right. Yes, self-employment. Right, I think also I didn't have the stand, but I'll fix my camera in good place so people can see me, also me working. Alright guys, I'm just working here. Mantrela! Yani wewe unaona natengeneza makao makuu. Alright guys, I'm fixing my camera. Today's work. Wagwan. Things like that, you know. Alright guys, I'm still continuing, you know. Whew. Right guys. So I was working down here. You can tell, but I didn't have a nice triple stand where I can fix, and then you see things moving perfect, you know. We flow with vibe to the end, you know. man. Yeah, down here. Because I didn't have a nice triple stand, I'll let the guy finish. Can I have another akururi? Yeah. So I'll see guys whether I can buy the triple stand. So when I just come and working like that, is to fix my stand and then boom, boom. Yeah, the guy is coming in perfect way. So here I fix the timbers, even I can stand on top. Yeah, no worry. And then after I finish that is to clear here entire house outside. Yeah, you can see from a distance things are okay. Yeah. So I was saying, oh, my second new home, people start saying, oh, hello baby, tell us. Me, I'm telling you, this is my friend's land, and also I'm a caretaker, so I need to take things carefully and serious. At the same time, I'm a security officer. I just arrived today here to see how things go. You know, so that's how an African house looks like. In backyards, if you build a house like this, people believe you're more rich. But nowadays, people improved in terms of development. You can see right now at my neighbor here, or we can see also Retriever's land and the house on the other side. The White House is coming from other side right there. You know, people are really doing some improvements, and I love that. You know, my day is coming, guys. You know, things will take its time, slowly by slowly. Hey, let me sit here, because guys, I'm sweating. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, fresh. So I'm keep waiting him. When he finish up, I start recording outside of the house, removing those grasses, you know, and then the house look clear, because when the grass growing there taller, even the snake will hiding inside, and then when you go there, things doing like, and then say, oh my god, you run out. Then I don't want maybe to be scared. I need my environment to look clean. We have 2 boreholes here, but the first borehole didn't have water, but the second borehole down there, it has a lot of water. Alright guys, if you watch these videos, let me know on the comment section what do you think about on these videos. But remember, all the way positive vibe win. So all my videos I put more positive energy, no negative energy that I'm putting here. And that's the way I can put myself on the next level to see how my channel could be grow, you know. Yeah. So in case you're new here, please guys, for my new subscriber, support me by subscribing my channel. Road to 10k subscriber guys. I know soon I will be there, but things will take its own time. Imagine from 0 subscriber, right now I'm in 7,500. I'm remaining with 400 subscriber to hit 8k, and I can't wait guys to hit 8k subscriber. It's by God grace, it's by God grace. Oh man, I'm just like pushing myself like a donkey every day is to grinding hard, you know, grinding hard no matter what it's happened. But I said these videos I'm shooting here, one day it will pay me off, you know. So today there is a big massive project in our village here, especially fixing the road. Yeah, that's a good thing. I appreciate that, you know. Yeah, it's slowly, no competition, no pressure, things will take time. Wow. Hmm? The guy is wondering, we have one of our lady here having a big house, so I brought one of my neighbor. He really shocked. It's all about YouTube. You open YouTube non app. I'm telling him it's all about YouTube. People not like employment in government job. No. This it's implication of YouTube. If you be honest and then trustful, you gain more. You know, easy. You can see a single lady building 5 bedroom in our village. That's a big progress, and I love that. I want to say congratulations to her because it's not an easy thing, you know, raising a house like this from scratch up the way it is. It's by God grace, you know. But she was trying on behalf of himself or herself, you know, doing things like that. May I just believe when God say yes, nobody can say no. That what it keeps stick on my mind. When God say yes, nobody can say no. No, that's what I believe, man. I love that. Ikira uri ogehere. No uri change. Asa hora no hano uri tiri. Hano. Yeah, I'm in the village shooting the videos day by day, you know, back to back. It's a nice video. Back to back. Let me give him enough space so he can able to do things here and there. Anyway guys, we shall meet on the next vlog while he was working on that house, outside, alongside on that house. Alright guys, so this is the last work that we did here, you know, and then when we finish this one, it's time to say goodbye to this place, and then I go back home, you know. Yeah, So when we do like that, we left it some couple of days, and then when it's dry up, we come, we collect it. Yeah, I'm gonna hug it. Ora sana makoro sengu chingo takachafuka.
Sabe mugora manje.
Mugora pon next kenyo na pa menkwira hapare taunu.
Ndichi nyumba chire ya moro. Ndo anye he no hire ka.
Yo toro kuprotiva gasuku.
Gasuko. Wako gambi kono ndo ya gahaji.
Oh guys. All right, so we still continue, guys, doing some pure cleanness here and there. All right, guys, let's check. I'm trespassing to my neighbors here, so probably more work is going on here, you know. Yeah, so my work is to finish and I go. Even I think last time I didn't do it here, but today it will force me to do right here, you know. Uh-oh. Alright guys, so maybe by tomorrow or any other time when I come here is to collect it, I throw it because right now it's somehow heavy, and then we left it to dry, and then I'll see guys whether I can find the wreck, one of our neighbor here, so I'll come and move it, you know, I throw. Yeah, cleanness is the best. How you made? Akanyeri goto. So so maybe if somebody wants to go to the toilet, no scaring, you know. Okay, let's continue. I think here I've already finished up. Push it here. Yeah, so guys, right now the work is looking more awesome, more awesome. Yeah, last time guys I didn't do it at the back here, but today it forced me to do it because the grass is growing taller. And then the guy who I have it last time was very stubborn. I told him to do this. He said no. So today, I decided to give people work here. Let me go at the back and then we see how things go. Yeah, now the guy is doing perfect, guys. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Zay, job. Nashindiria.
Yani kutandaza. Tipa ikuja tena ikanyage.
Tipa.
Alafu tena kuna ile kitu tukuia kwa.
So guys, he was working here. So to make sure that the road is good and well, you know. Even right now, I think I can access passing with my bike here. So no more struggling. But they need to put more stones, you know. Yeah, like for the last time during the party, he put the stones all the way from mining. I think that one is the perfect one. Whew. So we are heading home, guys. At this time, I'm heading home, and then I shall proceed from there. So at the same time, I'm going to fix also one of my dreadlocks, because when they're doing attachment of 2-2, for by the time being, it's, you know, be separate. Wow. So let's go and check my bike. Yeah, right now the road is good. Yeah, big improvement. You can see up to down there. Yeah, there's some changes here. Also, I think the tippers are bringing more muram. This one for compacting the house, number 1. Yeah, the tipper is coming. Oh, that one goes to the right there. Constructing a road like this, it's not an easy thing, you know. It needs somebody to put more money here. It's more expensive. It's more expensive, very expensive. But he will win. You know, at least we have good road. For example, if maybe tomorrow I want to bring more material at my friend's land, it's easily like one chop. So we shall meet on the next video.